What can I say, people? I'm out of word. Beside being shocked and disbelief to hear the news of NBA legend, Lakers great, all-time great, Kobe Bryant, killed in a helicopter crash near near his home in Southern California. And you know what's more tragic? One of her daughters was on board with him, and she perished as well. So I'm gonna tell you something. When you hear someone you love, or someone you know about, someone you knew, someone you you're so used to know die, whether from cancer, from natural causes, um, for car crash, you have to take it like a wake up call. I mean, you hear someone who announced that he's suffering from he's battling cancer. It's a wake up call. If it's a wake up call because we live in a life that's in a fine thread. Life is running in a thread. Like you never know what can happen tomorrow. And as a guy who has dealt with um, with numerous deaths within his family and friends, I know what it's all about, what it's like, and like I said, it's a wake up call because you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Sorry if I repeat myself on this, but my message has to be here. My message has to be heard. It's it's sad. It's tragic. You can be successful, but in everything you do, but it won't change the fact that you won't be a, you won't be around eternally. You won't be around this planet eternally. Sooner or later, you have to transition and go to another realm. But speak about Kobe. Look, I used to hate the player because I always thought in his rookie days until 2004, I was not a fan of Kobe because I always thought Kobe was a Michael Jordan copycat. He was doing the same move as his. I mean, I was not a big fan of his, but I believe after the 2004 season, I start to appreciate more the man, appreciate the player, appreciate the man because I appreciate his work ethic. I appreciate his his desire, his iron will to win. He wants to win. He's, I mean, in his blood, the drive to win it was in his blood, and I start to appreciate and I start to appreciate the man more than ever. And look, this is a big tragedy right now. It is a big tragedy because honestly, you know you know dying from a car crash and you have a family member aboard. It's tough. It's hard to swallow. It's tough for the families and it's tough for friends. And that's like I said. You never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. You're here, I'm here, I'm talking to you, but tomorrow I'm not there anymore. I might not be there anymore. So this is why it's the news is tragic, but at the same time it's a wake up call for us to take care of us, to take care of our body, to take care of our life, to stop complaining for nothing, stop complaining for some silly stuff, to be angry from some silly stuff, because you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. So look, it's a sad day for NBA fan, for Lakers fan, but it's a sad day also for those who comes to appreciate his accomplishment. Wow, I'm leaving there. I'll leave it there. All I can say is I have to send my condolences to his wife Vanessa and his three children, his three daughters. So rest in power, Kobe. Thanks for thanks for thanks for the memories.